Hi, welcome to Baby Adventure. Let's see the tools. Hex 4, Allen key 4, ring 16, 3 glasses for cool water, normal water, and this is hot water, and a multimeter with crocodile clips to study the resistance of coolant temperature sensor, which is also called as water sensor. Coolant temperature sensor has thermistor. By using the multimeter, we will read the resistance differences between hot cool water. On the LH side of the Yezdi Adventure, we will remove the sensor cover to find the coolant temperature sensor. This is coolant temperature sensor. So, using the forefinger, we push the forefinger inside and press with the help of thumb and pull the connector out. See, this is how it connects and fixes to the coolant temperature sensor. So, there will be a click sound ensuring the mount is properly fixed. So that is how you remove the connector of the coolant temperature sensor. So now using a ring 16, we will remove the coolant temperature sensor out, and using the multimeter, we will check the resistance differences between normal, cool water and hot water. Here I made a mistake. Hope you do not make the same mistake as I did. I rode the bike little bit before making this video so that the engine is hot, coolant is hot. We need to give some time for the coolant and engine to be cooled down, then only we should do this process. So there are 2 pins on the coolant temperature sensor. We connect the 2 crocodile clips from the multimeter to read the resistance. So here I put in 20k, but we have to put in 200k. I'll change it to 200k in the later part of the video. So I'm changing it to 200k, and we will check the resistance in the ambience. It is around 6.5 and so. So we will check in the normal water first. As I said earlier, with the temperature rise, the resistance should decrease. I will show you with cool water, normal water and hot water in the further part of the video. If the resistance drops with the temperature increase, the coolant temperature sensor is working fine. So let's see here. That is hot water, cool water and normal water ready for studying here observation. See, let's see the resistance here. In the normal water, the resistance is around some 8 points so. Now let's check it in the hot water. It's not boiling water. I boil the water and let it cool for a while so that I can measure the resistance difference here. You can see the resistance difference. As the temperature rises, the resistance should decrease for a good working temperature sensor, coolant temperature sensor. You can see the difference here, change in the resistance value. As the temperature rises, the resistance should decrease. Inversely proportional. This study of coolant temperature sensor can be used to rule out the faulty coolant temperature sensor in diagnosing the cooling issues. So in normal water it is around 6.5 or 7. In cool water it will increase more. As I said, it is inversely proportional to the temperature, the resistance. Once again we will check here. In normal, it will be around 6 and so. The coolant temperature sensor in Yezdi Adventure. I will make another more video about a faulty coolant temperature sensor, how to identify it. But here my coolant temperature is working fine. The resistance is dropping with the increasing the temperature. So we will fix it again to the motorcycle. There is a rubber washer kind of rubber seal kind of thing. Be careful. Slowly insert and rotate in clockwise. Do not put more torque. Ensure that the coolant is not leaking from there, and just tighten on just a hand torque kind of with a ring 16. So I'll make another video about symptoms of faulty coolant sensor. So if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to Yezdi Adventure channel for more information videos about Yezdi Adventure. Thank you.